So today's video is going to be absolutely lit, guys, because we'll be checking out the most awaited gaming phone of 2020, the ROG Phone 3. I've been waiting since such a long time to get my hands on this, and I finally got it. Now there is no introduction needed for this phone, guys, because literally everybody knows the specs. This is like an absolute overkill and comes with top-notch specs available in the market. I'm really excited about the display because it's got an insanely high refresh rate of around 144 Hz with 1 millisecond response time. That is literally like carrying a dedicated gaming monitor in your pocket. See, now that is what I'm talking about. And pair that with the newest CPU from Qualcomm, the 865 Plus, and also 8 or 12 GB RAM depending on the configuration, plus UFS 3.1 storage. This thing is a killer gaming phone. So that is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. And not just the phone, guys, we also have a special gaming earphones for the phone from ROG. They're called the ROG Cetra. And this is what we'll also be checking out in this video, guys. It's a crazy gaming earphones that come with awesome features, like it's got high-res audio, active noise cancellation, and also has some lighting effects on it. So we'll be unboxing and seeing both of these products in this video and talking about all of its features. I'm like super excited, so let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So here is the ROG Phone 3, the newest flagship gaming phone from the brand. It comes in this sort of box packaging, has the ROG logo on the front and the ROG Phone 3 logo everywhere on the packaging. So this phone will be available in two different variants in India, 8 plus 128 and 12 plus 256 GB configurations. The one we have right now is the 8 plus 128 GB variant. Talking about the specs, oh, this is a spec king. It comes with Qualcomm's newest Snapdragon 865 Plus CPU that is clocked at a whopping 3.1 GHz. Has a 6.59-inch Full HD plus 144Hz refresh rate display, and as I've mentioned before, my variant has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The specs look really good on paper, can't wait to check out the phone. On opening it, looks like there's an accessory box at the top that says "for those who dare." It's got some paperwork on the inside which includes a user manual, make sure to read that, an ROG sticker pack, and a free case for the phone. It's ROG's Aero case that looks beautiful with a unique design. There's also an ROG branded SIM ejection tool as well. Moving on, we've got the phone nicely packed at the top. Let me just remove this outer cover and show you. Holy smokes, now that is one beautiful looking phone. Feels very premium in the hand. But I do have to say it still kinda looks like the ROG Phone 2 with minimum visual changes. But don't be confused with that because there's a lot that has changed on the inside. So before we actually check out the phone in detail, let me also show you what else we got in the package. You get a bundled 30-watt hyper-fast power adapter for super fast charging, a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and a Type-C to 3.5mm conversion dongle. That's it, these were all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me finally show you the phone, the ROG Phone 3. Holy moly, that is a gorgeous looking phone. It comes only in one color, which is black glare, and feels solid when you hold it in your hand. It feels very similar to the ROG Phone 2 and also weighs that much, only around 240 grams. And coming to the front side, the phone comes with a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, but what makes it special for gaming is it's got an insanely high 144Hz refresh rate with 1 millisecond response time. And one more best part is it comes with front-firing stereo speakers and has a 24-megapixel front-facing selfie camera over here. And this is that second speaker I was talking about. So I'm quite excited to see how this stereo experience feels like while gaming. Now going to the side on the right, over here we've got two buttons, which includes a power button with red accents and a volume rocker above that. The ROG Phone 3 also comes with quad microphone setup with ASUS noise reduction technology to offer the best possible results. And you see these two ROG logos here, they're actually the new AirTriggers 3.0, which are ultrasonic touch sensors that offer console-like gaming experience. Going to the bottom, there's nothing over here except a USB Type-C port and a microphone. On the other side, there's a side-mounted port to connect all the special ROG accessories and a dual nano SIM card slot beside that. At the top, you only have a microphone, and this, my friends, is how the ROG Phone 3 looks from the back. It's got pretty much the same futuristic gaming design with an RGB illuminated ROG logo at the center. Says Republic of Gamers beside that, and even has a cutout to showcase a new heatsink that is almost 6 times bigger than the previous gen. This new aerodynamic cooling system has increased the thermal efficiency on this phone by up to 14% and keeps it running very cool. The build quality of the phone is also top notch. The back is entirely made of glass while the frame is made of aluminum. Coming to the camera, it's got an upgrade over here as well coming from the previous gen. There's a new triple camera setup with a 64 megapixel f1.8 primary camera featuring Sony's IMX686 sensor, a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and lastly a 5 megapixel macro camera. And the best part is it can even shoot videos in 8K resolution at 30 frames per second. And there's an LED flash as well to the side. So that was our first look and complete overview on this phone. Now let me quickly power it on, set it up and show you the phone. In the meantime, let me tell you about the specs. As I've told you just now, the ROG Phone 3 has a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED 10-bit HDR display with 144Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time. It's powered by the new Snapdragon 865 Plus octa-core CPU clocked at 3.1 GHz. My base variant has 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Talking about the cameras, I've told you that just now, and on the front side there's a 24 megapixel selfie camera. It's got basically everything you need like NFC, hyperfast charging, 5G support and even stereo speakers with Dirac HD support. Alright guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've set up the phone and it's all ready to be used. As you can see, it's got always on display support and I've also set up the fingerprint scanner as well. So let's quickly put that to a test. The fingerprint scanner was working well. It was fast and accurately unlocking the phone almost all the time. And here you go, this is how the home screen on my ROG Phone 3 looks like. Damn, that has a total gaming feel to it, right? Right now it has a gaming theme applied on it. You can even switch it to the regular classic theme as per your preference. And let me tell you, as soon as you start using the phone, you can feel that buttery smooth 144Hz experience. Everything feels so fast and responsive thanks to its 270Hz touch sampling rate and also 25 milliseconds of touch latency. Just look at this clip guys, the UI, app opening transitions, all of them feel super smooth and fluidic. Alright, so let's quickly check out the settings and have a look over there. This phone comes with Android 10 out of the box and May 2020 security patch. Now the main interesting settings are mostly found in the display section from where you can adjust the refresh rate of the display. ROG has provided us every possible option to choose from 60 to 144 and there's also an auto mode available that automatically selects the best depending on the content. And then you've got splendid color options from where you can customize the display as per your taste. Well, that was pretty much it guys, that was about the settings. Now let's quickly jump into the interesting part where we'll be talking about the special gaming features and the apps. First thing is it comes with a new feature known as X Mode, which when enabled completely transforms the phone into a beast. It customizes and applies system-wide tuning to bring out the max performance while gaming. And not just that, there's actually a dedicated app on it known as ROG Armoury Crate from where you can monitor and completely control every aspect of the phone. Let me show you. So as you can see over here, we've got the game library section from where you can manage all the games present on your phone. Now going to the console section, get a load of this. Looks awesome, right? This dashboard shows you a lot of info like the current phone temperature, CPU clock frequency, GPU clock frequency, how much RAM is available to use, and for how long the battery is going to last. On the right side, you can customize settings like Game Genie, Air Triggers 3.0, fan speed, and even the ROG logo lighting. Me being a PC enthusiast, I really love this sort of RGB stuff. Looks very cool. The logo is right now set to the RGB color cycle mode. There is a lot to talk about this phone guys. The features are like endless, like especially the new Air Triggers 3.0, plus it also has motion sensing as well. So you can utilize all these features to experience next level gaming. You know what? I'll make a separate video on that topic. See, this was just like an unboxing and first impressions, right? So I don't want to go in depth. Anyways, before I'm done, let's also open up the camera app and quickly snap some photos and see. The shutter was fast and responsive and the camera quality was also looking great from our first look. Plus the best part is, as I've told you before, it can even shoot videos in 8K resolution at 30 frames per second. That is something which no other phone in this price segment offers. We'll be discussing all these features in my full review video. And lastly, let me also show you how the front-facing stereo speakers sound like. They were actually quite impressive and loud. Just have a look at this clip. Okay, so I have a very good news to share with you all in this video. So including me, everybody were waiting for the AMD's new Ryzen 4000 lineup of desktop CPUs, right? And last but not the least, let's also check out the new gaming earphones from ROG. As I've told you before, these are some special ROG gaming earphones designed for the phone. They're called the ROG Cetra. They're not just any other ordinary earphones, guys. They're feature-packed USB-C gaming earphones that offer a ton of features like red ROG illuminating logos on them, active noise cancellation support, powerful 10mm drivers that offer great sound, and even 7.1 virtual surround sound effects. The features look quite promising, right? So I'll be making a separate video on this product. Well, time to wrap it up. That's pretty much it, guys. That was my unboxing and first impressions on the new ROG Phone 3. This is an absolute killer and the fastest gaming phone available right now in the market. So I'll be testing it for a few days before I can actually make my full review on it. Along with the review, I'll be making some separate videos as well on the gaming performance, camera performance, and exclusive ROG phone features and stuff like that. Let me know what video you want to see first and I'll work on that first. The ROG Phone 3 is priced at $49,999 for the base variant and $57,999 for the top end variant. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to check out this awesome phone. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.